wasting any further time, let me show you. Here is the phone itself, and as you can see there is a lot of dirt on it, and here we have wipes, and here we have the tempered glass itself. Now let me show you that all you need is that if you are a beginner, so it will be better you use a case and a wet cloth. Not that wet, but it should be a little bit wet. So let us just remove these things, and let us just remove this all. Let us just remove this all. So the first thing is that here it is the screen, and use your left thumb to remove this. All it will do, it will remove the dirt and some big particles. Now use a wet cloth, a little bit wet cloth, and swipe it just to clean it. All you have to do is to clean this thing, the whole screen. As you can see, I am cleaning it. I am cleaning the whole screen. If you notice, I am just cleaning the whole screen, and probably it is getting our work done. And now use I would say dry cloth. Now again, it's better that you use the wet cloth. Now let the water to evaporate or so for at least I would say 3 seconds. And now 3 seconds and be done. So here are the wipes itself. Now this is the wet wipe and this is the dry wipe. So let us just first use the wet wipe, and let us just open this thing. Here is it. Let us just have a look at this, and let us just start. Rub it gently so that no particles or something finger impressions are left. Rub it gently. Literally, frankly speaking, rub it gently. And probably this video a little bit might be boring because I am also doing my first time. Just kidding. So now let us just open the light and let us just see if that there are no impressions left. And now let us just open another light. Looks great. Still there are some impressions left. So now let us just open this fully. Now let us just rub this gently. And this is a very difficult task to do, frankly speaking. Now use your wet cloth. As you can see here, we have the wet cloth. Just use it. And if you can see, no more impressions on the screen. And probably I cannot see any dirt, just a little bit of water droplets. So let us just remove the water droplets by using this. And here we go. So let us just put this thing in a manner. And looks great. And I hope, yes, the quality is literally great. I am thinking to start. And now here is the tempered glass itself. So let us just remove it. And probably, and the thing is that I cost it for 80 rupees only with 9H hardness. So we have to remove this thing from here. And now I will suggest you to use this cover or something like that, any cover, so that you get a base and you will not make any mistake. Now as some my fingerprints are there again because I applied the cover, let us just do that again. Flashlight on, oops. And probably no more fingerprints I can see. And I cannot see at least no more fingerprints. Just a little bit of impression. So now it is a very difficult task. Even I don't know that whether this will be viewable on the camera. Put your finger here and now use the edge and Yes, here is the edge. Slightly, very slight. You have to be very smooth on this. Remove it, remove it, remove it, and we are done. So now use your finger to remove the bubbles. As you can see, a lot of bubbles are there. Now use this to remove the bubbles as well. Now it's better suggested to remove the cover, because you know all it was to give it a base, and we have given the base. Now let us just remove the bubbles. Difficult task, but can be done easily. As you can see, we have removed this. Now let us just remove this as well. Let us just, and done. We have some bubbles here over as well. As you can see, you have to. So after the video, I did a little bit more work on the screen as I pressed a little bit of hard, and as you can see, there are no more bubbles left. There are just some dust left, but if I show you from the side, no bubble is seeable. You cannot see any type of bubble, any type of. So that's great, and I hope that you like the lightning system, and now I can make even videos as well. So thanks guys, this is Anil from Tech2Heights. I hope that you like the video.